Honeybees are incredible creatures that have fascinated humans for thousands of years. Not only do they produce delicious honey, but they also play a crucial role in pollinating crops and helping to sustain our food supply. But how do these tiny insects collect nectar from flowers and turn it into the golden liquid we all know and love? Let's explore. The process of honey production begins with the honeybee's search for nectar. Bees are attracted to flowers by their bright colors and sweet scent. Once a bee lands on a flower, it uses its long, tubular tongue to suck up the nectar. The nectar is a sugary liquid produced by the flower to attract pollinators, and it contains a high concentration of sucrose, glucose, and fructose. After the bee has collected the nectar, it stores it in a specialized stomach called the honey crop. The honey crop is different from the bee's regular stomach, as it can expand to hold up to 70 milligrams of nectar, which is about twice the weight of the bee itself. Once the honey crop is full, the bee returns to the hive. Back at the hive, the bee regurgitates the nectar into the mouth of another bee. This bee then chews the nectar and adds enzymes to it, breaking down the sucrose into glucose and fructose. The bee then regurgitates the nectar again and spreads it out over the honeycomb. The bees fan their wings over the honeycomb, which evaporates the water from the nectar and thickens the liquid. As the water evaporates, the sugar concentration in the nectar rises, and the bees add more nectar to the honeycomb until it is full. The bees then cap the honeycomb with wax to protect the honey from moisture and other contaminants. Once the honey is ready, the beekeeper can harvest it by removing the wax cap and using a centrifuge to extract the honey from the honeycomb. The honey is then strained and bottled for sale or consumption. In conclusion, honeybees are truly remarkable creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem and food supply. By learning about their incredible process of honey production and their hard-working nature, we can gain a greater appreciation for these tiny but powerful insects. So the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content.